Hi, we're at Accountex 2017 and one of the topics of conversation is making tax digital. So David, can you tell us a bit more about making tax digital and how this is going to affect accountants generally?
Yeah, so making tax digital has certainly been a big topic here. We've seen a lot of presentations by the big players like Intuit and Xero about it. I think the big thing we'd want to get across to accountants is digital record keeping, not just digital filing. So I get a lot of firms saying, well, I do that, what's the difference between MTD? And I think the real challenge is that everyone, depending on your threshold, at some point will need to have digital record keeping. Now that could be a spreadsheet, but the problem is those records must link with software. So someone in the chain of that filing process needs to have software. So spreadsheet as a minimum in practice, but before it goes to the HMRC, someone needs software. So when you're here at Accountex, there's say Intuit, Digita, Iris, all these people saying, look, what options are you looking at for your clients? Because maybe the accountant needs to guide the taxpayer to getting some kind of cloud software, something like that.
Right, so there's a bit of responsibility for accountants as tax agents to guide their clients through this new process.
Yeah, I think it will be, because most things tax, the taxpayer will say to the accountant, what do you recommend? And so you can either say no, sort it out yourself, or you can offer them some solutions. And maybe you go for a variety of solutions with different prices, but I think taxpayers will want some help.
Absolutely. And what will SWAT be doing? What will SWAT be doing to help accountants with making tax digital?
Well, that's a good question, because we're not quite sure of the final answer at the moment. It's definitely, I think, still coming. It's just been taken out of the finance bill for this May. So where are we going now? I think as SWAT then, we need to tell people where we are at the moment, both in terms of the tax regulations or the draft regulations, and trying to prompt them to change their practice, think about new strategy, investigate software, and just get ready. So there is CPD courses running at the moment, webinars face-to-face. We have a Making Tax Digital part of our website, and we'll keep that up to date with information as things change. And then as soon as we know the more final regulations, we can perhaps do some checklists, follow-up courses, and really help firms. And if firms do need a new strategy and the partners can't agree on what it is, then we have some experience in practice management and helping those kind of partner negotiations.
Brilliant, okay. Well, thanks very much, David. As David says, Making Tax Digital is going to be a big change for accountancy firms. We've got a webpage on our website, www.swat.co.uk/mtd. You can find out more information about all the support offered by SWAT UK on that page. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.